Bonjour, c'est Clara French in the Midlands. Today's video is about le sens and what exactly does that word mean. It's got several meanings, so we're going to have a look at each one, and at the end of the video, as usual, I'll show you a few expressions using le sens. Before we carry on, I just want to say you can claim your free ebook, The 12 Golden Rules of French, at the link in the description. It's perfect for beginners. Or if you want to study a bit of French to be more conversationally fluent, if you want to string sentences together from day one with everyday expressions and vocab, this course is for you. So click the link and see what it's about. By far the most common meaning of le sens is the meaning. For instance, je ne comprends pas le sens de cette phrase. Je ne comprends pas le sens de cette phrase. I don't understand the meaning of this sentence. En fait, cette histoire n'a pas de sens. En fait, cette histoire n'a pas de sens. Actually, this story doesn't make sense or makes no sense. And you see how en fait means actually, not actuellement. Actuellement means currently. Be very careful, it's a false friend. Now, a bit more literally, le sens also means the direction or the way you're traveling. For instance, you would say, cette rue est en sens unique. Cette rue est en sens unique. This is a one-way street. See how we say it in French literally, this road is a one-way street. L'autoroute est bouchée à cause d'un accident. Mais, dans le sens inverse, il n'y a pas de problème. L'autoroute est bouchée à cause d'un accident. Mais, dans le sens inverse, il n'y a pas de problème. The motorway is blocked because of an accident, but in the opposite direction, there's no problem. Of course, in America, you don't say the motorway, you say the highway, but that's the same thing. The motorway is a UK word. Here you've got several things to remember. À cause de is because of. You know parce que is because. Well, when you want to say because of, you can't say parce que, you have to say à cause de. And le sens inverse is the opposite direction. Now, le sens also means the sense, as in Laurent n'a pas le sens de l'humour. Laurent n'a pas le sens de l'humour. Laurent hasn't got a sense of humor. It's very similar to English, this one. Les gens n'ont pas beaucoup de bon sens de nos jours. Les gens n'ont pas beaucoup de bon sens de nos jours. People don't have much common sense nowadays. See how de nos jours is nowadays. Now, if you put it in a plural, les sens, it means the senses. And we would say les cinq sens sont la vue, l'odorat, le toucher, le goût et l'ouïe. Les cinq sens sont, there's a lot of S's in there, la vue, l'odorat, le toucher, le goût et l'ouïe. The five senses are sight, smell, touch, taste and hearing. And now for our expressions. We use these constantly, so they're really worth learning. For instance, whereas in English you say clockwise, we say dans le sens des aiguilles d'une montre. It's quite long-winded, and literally it means the way a watch's hands travel. Dans le sens des aiguilles d'une montre. And then we've got sens dessus-dessous, which means upside down, to mean messy. You would say ma maison est sens dessus-dessous. My house is upside down. Dans tous les sens. Dans tous les sens can mean two things in all directions. That's the literal translation, but it also means all over the place. So say you've got a lot of things to do in one day, you would say, oh, je vais courir dans tous les sens aujourd'hui. I'm going to run all over the place today. And finally, dans un sens, it's in a way. So you could say to someone, dans un sens, vous avez raison. In a way, you're right. That's how you would use it. And that's it for now. Please give me a like if you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. À bientôt.